So this is a Pfaff 555 H4, and I replaced these two gears, but unfortunately these gears are not available. They are no longer made. But I fixed it because let me explain you what I did. After few days thinking how fix it, how I can fix it, I removed all the shaft, remove the lower shaft and bushings, and I got, let me explain you what I did. I got these two gears, but this one is bigger. The inner hole is bigger than this, so I attach a bushing inside, and I made few adjustments on the bar bushings, the upper and bottom bushings. They are already adjusted, because when I received this machine, the gears were no aligned, were like this, and the gear need to be the same alignment like this. But I found this gear one on the other one. The top, I don't remember the top or the bottom gear, but they weren't aligned. So I'm sorry for the sound. I don't have a professional mic, so I apologize for the sound. But anyway, I just wanted to tell guys what I did on this machine. But yeah, it's fixed. Everything adjusted. The stitch looks great. Tested high speed, so it's great. If you like this video, please like this video. Where is the hand? Like it, to have it on the top videos, and this helps a lot my YouTube channel. And also, if you want to subscribe the channel, this also helps a lot. And share, if you have a time, share the video to help more people get fixed the others machines. Thank you very much for watching my video, and have a nice day. Bye.